Hi, welcome to Malibu Wired. Today is a very special day. We have just received the new speakers by Meridian, DSP8000 XE. The first one's in the West Coast. So we're gonna unbox them right now. Come over here, you can see it. All right, what we got here, pretty good packaging. And then we take the sidewalls off. All right. We could probably pull this off. I don't know, maybe we could just pull it up. Oh. All right. Oh, this is piano black. I was expecting matte finish. All right, so we have the bottom body part, and we're gonna open up the head.
Okay, move it here.
This is a heavy speaker. All right, this is the mid-range and the tweeter section of the speaker. I probably need to take this off. There we go. It's beautiful. Check this out. Really nice. You want to hook up the bottom port?
Sure. Lower. Hold on. Very careful. So you should.
I can feel it.
I hold this part.
Okay. All right, we're on. All right. Beautiful. All right. We'll set it up and play this in a bit.